This is Set to Achieve. Welcome to yet another video. I'm waiting here at the Walmart Bay, waiting for a TV. I've already called in and checked in, but today I just wanted to talk about, yes, you need to quit that job. If your spirit is telling you that it's time for you to go away from that job, if your spirit is pushing you to quit that job, if you feel uncomfortable, if you feel always stressed out and frustrated, and you are having panic attacks on your off days or on Mondays, it's time for you to quit that job. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why. Guys, look at this. My kids are off on break. I have 3 teenagers, and my daughter called me to say that she could she order a Chick-fil-A. So she got a Chick-fil-A. My oldest, she's 17. She got a Chick-fil-A gift card, about like $50 gift card for Christmas, right? So she just called me and asked if she can pick up or if I could pick up her Chick-fil-A order, right? And here I am. I picked it up. She ordered her milkshake. I picked that up as well. I'm taking that home. My youngest has a like a little dinner get together at Olive Garden with her friend at 4:30 at Olive Garden right here in my community, and I'm gonna pick her up at 4. The time is 2:10. I'm gonna be able to pick her up, and take her there and continue doing my delivery and doing whatever else I do. Maybe working on my YouTube videos, come back home. That's the life. If I was working a 9 to 5, I would never, ever be able to do that. So that's what I'm talking about. It's like, to me, I see a 9 to 5 as a trap. So yeah, I advise anybody to seek multiple sources of income, seek how to learn or seek out how to make money apart from a 9 to 5. There's so many ways, guys. Okay, in this day and age, we're not like in the 90s where there's no apps. This is a new age, a new time, and I do what I want, and my kids benefit from that, because they know that their mom can do things for them. Their mom can be there for them. How awesome is that? So yeah, I'm not stuck anymore, and you don't have to be. All right, when you have a 9 to 5 job, it's like you have a faucet, okay, with tap running through, okay, and that tap is your income, okay. But if you want to quit that job, maybe there are things that you're going through. Maybe it's affecting your mental health, just like I was in healthcare right before the pandemic. I was going through a lot, doing home health. I had done facility work years prior to that, and it just didn't work out for me. So I started doing home health, and even that was stressful. You couldn't get a break because they would tell you, like, if you would ask, like, okay, can I take a break or whatever, they would say, well, we have to hire somebody to take your spot temporarily while you're out. It's just crazy, so I understand the stress, the frustration, and the anxiety, and just the feeling of being trapped, so when you're saying to yourself, okay, how can I get out of this trap that I'm in and still be able to pay my bills? Okay, so when you're looking to turn that faucet off, it's like you turn the faucet off, but then you turn on a waterfall. That's what it is when you quit that job and you start multiple sources of income. It doesn't start all at once, but it starts from somewhere. it might be, I guess it might be deemed wiser to, while you are on the job, okay, while you still have that 9 to 5, just like I did. I was working the afternoon shift, 3 to 11 shift in the facility, and then basically like mornings to like afternoons or whatever, doing home health. But a lot of times I would do like till like late at night, having to do like admissions. I did a lot of admissions, you know, as a nurse, and you know, just all kinds of things, and reviewing supplies and blah blah blah, and it goes on, and I was very stressed out. I started having like headaches, like migraines, you know, and I had to ask myself at some point, like, where is the rest? When am I gonna rest? Because even on my off days, they would have this meeting and that meeting, or you know, did you log into the Zoom for this time, and this and that and that. And I was like, if this is living, then I don't need this kind of living. I don't need this. You know? I was so frustrated. Okay? And I had to really do like a life assessment, like literally, because my mental health was going down. Like, what really matters in my life? What actually really matters? Okay? Is this job worth my health, my peace, my life? So when I did my assessment and I realized that it's not worth it, I went back to the basics. I started back doing hair. Then I started doing DoorDash. I wasn't doing package delivery then. I didn't start that until later, okay? But if you're asking yourself, should you quit that 9 to 5? If you reach the point that you're asking yourself, should I quit that 9 to 5? Then you have gotten to the point that your spirit is telling you that you better quit. You know, it's like you're driving and you're sleeping, right? And you're asking yourself, man, should I park and sleep? The fact that your spirit is asking you, and you're asking yourself if you should sleep, you better go park somewhere and sleep. Otherwise, you're gonna be driving and sleeping, right? So that's where I was. Okay, so if you're at the point where you hate your 9 to 5, you know, and the thing is, it doesn't necessarily mean that, you know, if you're like making, because some people are making like multiple 6 figures and they're frustrated at the 9 to 5. They're making multiples, like they're making maybe 200K or more per year. You know, their house payments are high, their mortgage payments are high, their car payments are high, you know, their kids' tuitions are high, everything is high, but they're trapped, they're frustrated, you know? And so it's like you have to reach that point that, okay, what's important here? What can I cut out? You know, what can I cut out? Can I trade this car in and just go get a semi-used car, you know, and be paying maybe half, or just pay that outright? Like, what can I cut down? What can I do? You know, so that I don't have to depend on this 9 to 5, because a lot of people are having anxiety. I remember there was one of the ladies I used to do hair for, and she was like in a high position, like a boss in some like retirement company. And she told me that she was literally having panic attacks, that she would be fired and won't be able to pay her mortgage. The thing is this, you have to factor in, what are your options? You have to factor in what weighs more, you know? What weighs more? What are the things in your life that you can do without? You know, if you have a lot of excesses, you know, you have things that you don't need, you know, and it's making you work and not really have sleep, and you're just restless, and you know, your quality of life is not what it should be. You know, it's like You might be making a whole lot of money, but you're still living paycheck to paycheck. So that doesn't matter, you know? Then factor all those things in and see what you can cut out, okay? But ultimately, I always say that it's like the 9 to 5 to me is almost like having an old car that does not work anymore, parked in your garage, okay? But it's taking up space, okay? It's taking up all this space, all right? And you can remove that car, get it towed out, take it to the junkyard, you know, and have an opportunity to have a newer car in, you know, that can do so much more for you. And it's just an analogy, right? I'm a strong believer in having multiple sources of income, having different business ventures that you can do that would allow you to have ultimately freedom, time freedom, financial freedom, and freedom to live your life, you know? I mean, ultimately, really, location freedom. If you can have that combination, time freedom, financial freedom, you can have location freedom. You can be anywhere. I can be in Texas here today. I can be in Illinois tomorrow. I can be in you know, another state tomorrow or the day after. I can be anywhere, you know, at any time, any location, you know. And that is the ultimate goal for me, you know. That's why I love, you know, and I'm working so hard on my YouTube channel, because I know that it really is a means to an end, you know. And, you know, when you're trying to do that, you're not just focusing on, you know, I think the mistake that people make, and I think the mistake, because I've been on YouTube for years, okay, and the mistake that I've made is just focusing on what my passion was. You know, I wanted to put out videos to help people, you know, learn different techniques on how to do hair. It might get some views, but it's like, what people really want to see is how they can be able to break out of the rat race, you know, how they can break out of abuse, whether work abuse, some relationship abuse, you know, those are high, you know, especially work related, because a lot of these 9 to 5 jobs are killing people, like point blank period. It's like literally like taking the life out of people. They say like most heart attacks happen on Mondays, you know, typically Monday morning. That's what people say. And I know that Monday mornings, most people are really depressed, having to go back to work. So, you know, that's really related. People are getting fired on holidays. People are getting fired right before Christmas. You know, it's just so, to me, it's just so demonic, you know. So, and then having like the weight of your bills, your food that you eat, you know, the car that you drive, everything that you live for is in the hands of somebody else, some company, you know, that can close tomorrow and lay you off and fire you with nothing, with no question. Just like, yeah, you know, we had to just remove this department because it wasn't working for us anymore. It was affecting our overhead. That's a bad, horrible place to be, okay? So that's why I quit nursing. That's why, because I was just like, I wasn't happy. It was not for me. And I just knew that I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a business person, you know? That's where I'm happiest. You know, that's where my creativity comes out, you know? And YouTube, you know, I'm able to express myself and help people while I'm doing that and make money, you know. So I'm hopefully gonna be monetized, you know, within the next couple of months, hopefully. And yeah, you know, help people and change lives, you know, and express myself. It's therapy for me as well, you know. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking to quit your 9 to 5, I think that you should seriously consider doing that. But just make sure that you put certain things in place. If you're looking at how I was able to, if you are interested in how I was able to break out of the 9 to 5 rat race, and now I do delivery, and I have all the other sources of income that that is able to allow me to have that more abundance, and in terms of my mental health, is intact. You know, I'm able to take care of 3 teenagers. Grab my multiple streams masterclass bundle. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can get started. It's less than $100. Yeah, you know, the apps that I use, and my middleman business guide. You can get started with that. You can do that from anywhere in the world, and yeah, get started. All right, I hope you like this video. Leave your comments, like, share, subscribe, liking and shares it to more people so more people can get the content. And I'm going to be putting out more content. So till next time, God bless.